idiot holding this because I've been trying to edit my video and post it so it's up on time.
Finally made it, guys. Nikki's got her Funyuns.
Yeah.
She's happy as a clam.
It is 1:46 p.m. and I literally just woke up. So we're gonna like hurry and go to the beach and suck up the last 2 hours that we get of sunlight. Just took a little stroll on the beach at night. I've never seen the beach at night. Taylor is trying to catch the tram and he keeps running and then stopping and giving up, and it's really funny. Today we are going on a boat tour!
Okay, next where we're going today.
Horseback riding! Good morning, everybody!
Good morning!
I always take it off you right when you're about to say something. Taylor and I are going to, guess where? Disneyland today! Well, Disney World.
Disney World.
Disney World. I always get that wrong. So I forgot a hairbrush. It has been 3 days of not brushing my hair. My hair's slowly turning into dreadlocks. We are just craving a freaking ice cream sandwich so bad that it's like almost 11 at night. We're leaving and walking 7 minutes. That's how long it takes us to get to the lobby so we can get an ice cream sandwich. Today it is like freezing. I'm wearing my jacket and I actually just made Taylor go inside to get my hoodie so I can wear it under my jacket. But we're going to an amusement park. I'm really excited. So change of plans. We thought it was like a theme park like Lagoon or Knott's Berry Farm, and it's just like a glorified boondock. So we are deciding we're gonna go get massages. So Taylor and I just went and listened to a spiel about buying a timeshare because they said we'd get $100 cash, which we did. And then after we were gonna paint coconuts, and that's all I wanted to do today because it was on the hotel itinerary, and it cost $3. I'm like devastated because I thought it was free.
This is my beautiful life.
No, just wave. Just wave like nope, that's not how a normal human waves. You're embarrassing everybody here. Good one. So Taylor's obsessed with golf and he's always like begging me to play with him and I always say no, but we're out here mini golfing and I just schooled his butt. Wait, who's winning? I'm confused.
Who are you? And I'm playing like legit. One stroke ahead of me, no pressure. YMZ winner. Babe, good game. So our last night, last day was Disney World. We had a freaking fantastic time.
Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap up the travel video here.
See you back home.
Bye guys. My mom and daddy. My mom and daddy.
Who's home, bud?